Does your toddler throw a fit if you don't open the goldfish fast enough? Or, maybe your 6-year-old has a meltdown when the line at the grocery store is too long. Come to think of it, perhaps you do too, sometimes, right? No one likes to wait for things, especially when it's something you really want, like going on a roller coaster or having a special snack. But the reality is that waiting is a part of life, so helping your children learn patience when they are young can help them be calmer and less stressed when they get older. Developing patience is a lot more than just making it easier to wait for things. Having patience helps you handle life's ups and downs, and it can help take the edge off of stressful situations. The earlier your kids can learn to be patient, the easier it is for them to be patient as they grow. So, keep these tips in mind to help raise patient children. Be patient yourself. As a parent, one of the hardest things to do when it comes to helping your kids learn patience is to be patient yourself. Don't worry, we've all been there. Your 3-year-old takes 20 minutes to put on a shoe, or your 5-year-old insists on pouring milk all over the kitchen floor. These are things that certainly try your patience, and it's only natural to lose it sometimes. However, remember, your kids watch your every move. So practice patience as best you can. Take a breath when things go awry, and try to remain calm before you react. Ask yourself, in the grand scheme of things, is this cup of spilled milk the end of the world? Probably not. Make them wait. Starting when your kids are still babies, make them wait. Yep, that's right, make them wait on purpose. But start small. For example, your baby wants the toy you're holding. Instead of handing it over right away, say, "You want the toy? Okay. Just 1 second, then pretend to do something, or look at something for about a second or two, before handing your child the toy." As your child gets older, increase this time from a few seconds to a minute, etc. Then, when your toddler is pulling at your leg for juice, and you say, "Just a minute," it's not the end of the world. Teach your kids how to pass the time. Let's face it, waiting is boring whether you're a kid or an adult. Therefore, set up good waiting habits with your children from a young age by helping them find ways to pass the time. Hint: don't just play around on your phone and let your kids fend for themselves. You need to teach them the tools before you can expect them to use them. You can play "I Spy" in the checkout line, or draw on napkins while waiting for your food at the restaurant, or engage your children in conversation. Imagine that. Key takeaways. Helping your kids learn patience sets them up to be calmer adults and better handle life's curveballs. Teach patience by being patient. You might need to work on increasing your own patience to help teach your kids. Make your kids wait for things they want. Help provide your kids with different skills and ideas to pass the time, so waiting isn't such a dull thing. For more insightful resources and tips on how to help your children develop into strong, compassionate individuals, take some time to check out the rest of ThinkJr creations. You'll find all sorts of valuable tools, like stories, songs, and more, that can give you creative and simple ideas to raise happy.
If you liked our videos, please like and share them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.